Hello Sushi lovers family, Namaste and a greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this sushi recipe video, I'm gonna show you how to make decorative sushi roll. So after watching this video, you will learn how to make sushi with Sushi Man Santosh, and I hope you're gonna try it at your home. In this video, I made just only one sushi roll, but the techniques which I am using and which I am gonna show you will apply it with all of this decorative sushi, which you can see on this video. Okay, let's move to the topic. Here I have tira of tuna and cucumber. As you can see on this video, this is the onion chips called cibolino in Portuguese. It's nuri seaweed. Now I will place sushi rice on the middle of nuri. But in the place of tuna, you can use salmon, hamachi or any other sushi grade fish. It's depend on you which sushi you're gonna use. Okay, it's no matter. As you can see on this video, I'll leave 2 fingers in the top and 1 finger on the bottom. Now I will cut cucumber in half and gonna make equal shape and size. Okay, let's make the cucumber dry so it can't move and won't make soggy to nuri. Time to place equal size cucumber strips on the bottom, so when you're gonna roll it, it will go on top. Here I'm going to place tira of tuna and gonna put onion chips in between cucumber and tuna. Okay, let's roll it. Secure all ingredients with 3 fingers and hold sushi mat with thumb and second finger. As I told many times, for the sushi rolling techniques, you have to apply that kinds of techniques. And you can roll it very smoothly in a triangular shape. Because we're gonna make the full moon sushi, we're gonna make the decorative sushi, okay? Okay, now fold it for the closing part and make it a little tight with help of the bamboo mat. Here I'll cut sushi roll and make a beautiful plating. Okay, now put sushi roll on plate, making a round so it looks decorative and same as like the full moon sushi. Yes, it's our final results of decorative sushi roll. As you can see on the video, it's really beautiful and decorative, isn't it? I made all this sushi roll with same techniques, so you can try at your home with different ingredients. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos about sushi. And I hope you're gonna share with your sushi lovers friends as well. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy.